Oh, poor Jeff is so nervous, like most people are.
Yep.
Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Wiggle your right ear.
Ooh. Wow.
Did it get you all the way down?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Is that what you were wanting?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ooh. All right. Look at there. Still kicking. Good. Good.
Well, that was a shock.
Mm-hmm. Got you good.
Yeah, you're not prepared for it. I could have watched a million videos. You're not prepared for it.
Good.
All the turning feel taller. Like
Of course. Got decompression.
I fall all the way down. Yeah, it feels good.
All your life you've been waiting for someone to pull you that low, right? In your
Yep.
back? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shock to the system a little bit at first, but yeah, it feels good. It feels a lot better. Up the chairs usually the yeah. So usually I have pain in my lower than my left side, like my hips. So yeah.
But now you don't feel it, right?
No.
See how
I feel.
Yeah. It works, doesn't it, Jack?
Yeah, it works. Kind of amazed actually.
Yeah. Can you describe it to anyone who's thinking about doing this?
Definitely, I've had 4 years of pain, so
No.
definitely worth it.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. Come on over here.
Whew.
Well, you want to
A little
do?
emotional.
Yeah. I have to get. There you go. Did you feel it evenly on both sides?
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank you
trying
very
out the
much.
engineer.
Thank you. Thank
We're
you.
done.
All right.
Aw.